A very good afternoon to all my dear students. Today we all are here to study our subject consumer behavior. Now, yesterday we have done with the steps of the organizational buying. Now, moving further to that, we have a topic that is organizational buying situation. Today we are going to discuss about the situations during organizational buying. So, moving further, an organization demands a wide variety of products and services for its business operations, right? For example, we required raw material, right? We required raw material. If we talk about raw material, then we'll need agricultural products, mineral products, livestock, forest products, marine products. Okay, then after identifying all the raw materials we want to get for the business operations, then the need arises of the machinery and equipment on which we have to work upon. Then we need the small components, tools and spare parts. Then we need in the organization power, fuels, water, electricity. And after that we also require the services of the organization. Services can be technical, financial, legal and administrative services. Okay, so according to Robinson, Farris and Wynn, there are three types of buying situations that organization has to face. So we have to discuss all the three. First one is straight rebuy situation. Second one is modified rebuy situation. And the last one is the new buy or the new task. Okay. So what is the first one? Straight rebuy situation. Straight rebuy situation is what? When we used to order our routine daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly or yearly products or services. Okay. Modified rebuy situation is what? When business is affected by the external or the internal environment. Like for example, if we talk about today's problem, that is the virus which has taken place everywhere. So according to that, our buying situations are changing, are affecting, right? And the third one is new buy or new task. New buy, as the name suggests, when we are going in the market for the first time, we are buying the product or services for the first time. We are the new customers for that very product. Is the new buy or the new task when everything is new for us. So let's study in detail. First one is straight rebuy situation. It includes routine orders placed daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly or yearly with known suppliers for products and services such as raw materials, office supplies, financial services, etc. It involves buying for a recurring need. Buying for a recurring need matlab which is recurring daily, which is occurring daily. Again and again we need to buy for the things of the daily routine. Like for example, if we talk about newspaper is the हमारा daily purpose. It's for the daily purpose. We need to read the news daily. So that is why it is called the recurring need. Then it requires little or no new information. In this, there is no new information we required. Buyers and sellers operate in a routine manner. Need recognition and purchases are the only steps in the buying process. Just we need to identify what is the basic need we want to fulfill first. This is the straight rebuy situation. Now the second one is modified rebuy situation. As we talk about the today's problem in the overall world, country, because of that our changing demand and preference for the products. We are fluctuating with respect in demand. So as all business activities are affected by seasonal and cyclic fluctuations and changing demand and preference for its product, which in turn affects its buying patterns. Most of the people are buying the things in a very large quantity. Usually they bought the थोड़ा थोड़ा सामान पहले लेते थे वो लोग, and because of this virus we are just stocking our goods so as to overcome the problem, so that we cannot lack with these products in future. So industrial buyers modify their orders or completely change the order according to such internal and external environment changes. It involves reevaluation of order. We need to reevaluate, right? Price or sellers in order to derive benefits or cope up with the environmental changes. It emphasizes on search and evaluation of suppliers. We need to search and evaluate the suppliers. Buyers go through a limited problem solving process. Buyers have detailed information about product alternatives and develop a well defined criteria for product selection. Here what we are doing, we are just collecting our stock. No matter what is the brand, we are just fulfilling our demand because it is very badly affected, right, because of the external environment. So this is the modified rebuy situation, when we are modify our purchases. Last one is the new buy or the new task. When we are new to the product or service, when we are buying for that for the first time. When an item is bought for the first time, it is a new buying situation, of course. The organizational buyers go again through the decision making process. After making decision, we are finally making the purchases, finally taking the decision to purchase that very product, as the product has never been bought in the past. The problem or need is completely different from previous needs in case of a new task. If we talk about the new product or service, we have no past experiences with it, so the problem or the need is completely different. Buyers require a significant amount of information. In this, we are keenly interested to know about the product, that what is it actually. It emphasizes on problem definition and development of product specifications. We also need to collect the information regarding the features, qualities of that very product. Buyers go through an extensive problem solving process, and after that we can come to know that whether this product will be fulfilling our needs in the future or not. Okay, so we have understood now the buying situation. That's all for today. Thank you, students.